DJM
Hi guys, welcome to DJM Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news. If APC not organize themselves well, make sure say all this their kata within themselves stop, PDP go take over power come 2023. This one na the warning wey President Bubu give All Progressive Congress for inside Nigeria. This na still DJM TV Daily News Update. President Muhammadu Buhari don tell the All Progressive Congress say unless they arrange their house well, arrange body well, do their self well for this forthcoming election, so say the People's Democratic Party dey ready to take over power come 2023. This one na wetin President Muhammadu Buhari talk during one interview like that wey be like say DJM TV Daily News Update monitor as the interview take place on top Nigerian Television Authority (NTA). President Muhammadu Buhari talk say the plenty kata the way dey inside the APC, so just before the proposed national convention wey go hold for February. Now some of the reasons why, if APC not take time, People's Democratic Party could take over the party. In touching na all these kind things now happen for 2015 for inside PDP wey make APC fit take over the country. Say so make APC go back, go sit down well, look the way PDP take fall for 2015, make they learn their lessons very well, tie their wrapper well, ready to take over. If not, PDP dey for corner dey wait for them. According to President Muhammadu Buhari, he talk say the time that say PDP dey rule, they do body like say they not get the whole country. They dey very proud and arrogant. They not ever believe say any party go fit take over from them. And make when all the opposition parties for Nigeria come together, shook body together, come become All Progressive Congress, contest the election, they win PDP hands down, and PDP no fit do anything. For inside the ogbonge interview, President Muhammadu Buhari talk say APC get time frame and they need to work together, say because 4-year cycle dey constitutional and nobody go fit interfere with them. So if the party no go fit come together, put body together to agree, make they ready say the opposition party go take over from them. When President Muhammadu Buhari dey talk for inside the interview, he say one thing dey very notable for inside People's Democratic Party wey be like say APC must not copy. Say na be the fact say people believe say power lie for inside Abuja. Say one godfather dey Abuja wey go fit make them president, governor or chairman of local government. Say they forget na the people wey dey for their constituency na get the power to make them into any position wey they wan enter. From im own mouth, President Buhari talk say im own position dey simple. Say the one of the reasons when he feel say he succeed to take get to a position be say he understand say we start from bottom, they come up from polling unit to ward, and then to local government, and then to state before they call reach Abuja. Say na so e be for the party say because he dey very concerned about the party, and the party members for all the constituency know say as their convention dey come up, so they go need to come Abuja and they need to act together in unity. He say he go like to tell them to say no kingmaker dey for Abuja at all, make dem no dey reason am, say that you take am or you leave am. Say no constituency like say make dem dey dictate to them wetin dem go do. Say all the constituency for inside APC na im suppose to produce their leader for inside the party. Say wetin the other parties dey do na their business, e no concern them. Say APC need to look inward, make dem do their things by themselves. Say but we wan make sure say our party member understand say we dey respect them well from polling unit to ward to local government, even up to Abuja. So those wey wan say make dem wan win election for any level, they go need to work from the grassroots. Say because nobody go appoint anybody. Say as e dey so, convention for the APC go soon reach, so we need to work together so that we go get all dis katakata dem wey dey happen. E tok say wen di ACN, ANPP, CPC and APGA come togeda to defeat PDP for 2015, PDP no first believe say all dis small small party go fit defeat dem, say but before dem know wetin dey happen, dem don comot for power and dem still don comot for power. Say na im make am dey tell APC say e no get any guarantee say dem need to work togeda to make sure say dem win 2023 election. And say anoda important thing wey e go like to tell APC be say make APC no dey provide safe haven for anybody wey dey corrupt, any corrupt politician wey dey run come APC, make im sef know say e no go fit escape prosecution wen di time reach. Dis one na still DJM TV Daily News Update, your ogbonge channel wey dey give you everything news and gist for inside obodo Naija. If you just dey join us, abeg no forget to like and share dis video and also subscribe to dis ogbongelicious channel so you go be one of the first persons wey dey get better informate as e dey shele on top our obodo Naija. Now my correct ogbongelicious person, we go recall say the All Progressives Congress dem don dey face some kind katakata since 2020 wey be like say wahala burst and dem come sack Adams Oshiomhole comot as the head of the party. Many other things wey happen. Many people don defect comot for APC. They don dissolve the party's national caretaker and extraordinary committee wey be like say Mai Mala Buni wey be the Yobe state governor bin dey head. Plenty things dey happen inside APC. This one dey fight this one, this one dey fight this one based on say this one wan become presidential candidate. Many things dey happen. Now all this one na President Muhammadu Buhari dey tell dem say una no forget say na wetin happen for PDP that time be this. Man, no let this kind thing repeat itself. Now many people don react to this news. Of course, Nigerians must talk when something happen. They say President Muhammadu Buhari dey talk this thing from two sides. Say because e get one informate wey be like say e shele. I will even give una the report for here for DJM TV say President Muhammadu Buhari dey interview am for one exclusive interview wey be like say e talk some kind things. When dem come answer say wetin come to im mind when e hear of PDP, e say wetin come to im mind na failure. And yet e still dey go back dey go tell people say these people that they call failure so make una dey beware, una be careful of them. Say because if una no arrange una say dem ready to take over power from una. So many people dey say e be like say President Muhammadu Buhari know wetin dey sup. He know say PDP don ready to take over for 2023. Now make am dey try advise the people so that they go put themselves together, make dem no allow PDP enter power again. But some persons come dey talk say say President Muhammadu Buhari na e be like father for APC, and as a father he need to advise his children. He don see some kind things wey wan happen. Now make I dey tell dem say man no let PDP take over again say because thing no go sweet. Because before APC fit take over, they need to join body, this one join body to this one before they fit take over from PDP. Say and now the way APC dey go, this one dey fight this one, that one dey fight that one. They not take care, PDP go take over power again. Some other people don't believe say una dey sure say the person want to take over from President Muhammadu Buhari wey be like say he talk say he no wan call the person name. Una dey sure say the person not be PDP the person dey for oga bubu to get some kind informate wey oyibo dey call classified information. The thing get as e dey be some people dey say they just dey look make 2023 come, their own be say their vote must count. E no concern them. They say that many Nigerian doctors say they go vote for integrity, they go vote for personality, not be really party wey you for come out, they will take vote for you. So if you like come out for small party, so far Nigerians like you, them go vote. So people doctors say APC and PDP make them go look bush, so none of them go win 2023 presidential election. My correct country people, you don't hear some opinion or some persons concerning what President Muhammadu Buhari talk concerning APC. Say they not put their hands together, PDP will take over power for 2023. What will be your own thoughts and comments concerning this issue wey we carry come give you so? Drop them for the comment section for button. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell so you're one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news where we drop news 247. Now do not forget you can also place your advert here at DJM and be rest assured that you get good value for your money. Now, until we come your way again with another exciting edition of DJM Daily News Update, do not forget that here at DJM we set the standard. Yeah.
DJM. People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM.